So let me explain you about the node configuration between slave and Jenkins master and how to add Docker credentials to Jenkins master. I will explain you. Let me share my screen. Yeah. Let me open my AWS account. I already launched the instances. Okay. Let me take the public IP address, copy, paste it in mobile store. Now let me log in into it. The required tools for node configuration we have to install. Let me get, yeah, now I am in root level. The required tools for Jenkins slave is Git. First of all, we need Java to be installed. Let me check whether Java is installed or not. Yeah, I installed Java. Now let me check for Git. Yeah, it also installed. Now let me check for maven. Yeah, maven also installed. Okay, I will tell you how to add this maven path and slave missions node configuration and Docker credentials into Jenkins master. I will explain you one by one. Okay, let me check whether I installed Docker or not. Yeah, I installed Docker also. Anyway, I will tell you how to install the commands which you use to install the JDK. Let me tell you, because I have already installed. Let me tell you the command. First of all, you have to download the packages. Sudo apt get install instead of install give update. It's updating the packages. Yeah, it download the required tablets packages. Let me install. Let me give command like for installing Java apt get install open jdk 11 or yes. See, it's saying unable to locate package open jdk 11 wait. When, see, it's saying open jdk or your jar is already installed. That's why it's not installed. Let me see. This is how it goes. Okay, now what we're going to do means we have to give command like ssh hyphen key chain. See, already it is present. That's why it haven't taken. Let me get into one user. For getting into for user, give command su and username DevOps. This is my username. Give bash command to expand. Give cd command to come out of root directory. Yeah. Now give ls command. See, these are the folders which is present in my home directory. Let me give ls hyphen event. See ssh already I have established. That's why it is present. If it's not there, what we have to do means just you have to give ssh hyphen g e j. See, It's asking for override un. If you give yes, it will try to override it. Okay. After that, let me get into SSH. This command. See here ID. We have to get public RSA, private RSA. That's why we're going to give ID RSA. Yeah, this is the thing what we need to establish the command connection between Jenkins master and Jenkins slave. Now I'm going to show you how you can establish in Jenkins master by going into AWS. Yeah, I already logged into my Jenkins master. Let me tell you how it works. Let me give my username and password. Yeah, it's over there. Sign in. Yeah. In Jenkins master, we have to go into manage Jenkins. There will be an option like manage Jenkins. After that, we have options like nodes and clouds. Let me get into it. See, I have ordered slave 1 and slave 2. I'll tell you how to add. Just click on it. New node. Click on new node. Give some name like slave 3. And type permanent type. Create. And what we going how to do means here number of executor is as your wish. You can give multiple. Okay, it's not an issue. Okay, description we can give to establish or to to establish this connection between master and node. I have given some message in description. Now here it is asking for remote root directory. For getting this path, we'll simply give. Let me take a duplicate tab from here. Sudo can I clear it? Clear it. Now let me give it to DevOps here. DevOps. Yeah, with dash command. Let me come out of it. Yeah, yeah, okay. Oh, now getting for see what is asking. It's asking for remote root directory. For getting it, we have command like pwd. See, this is the path what we have to paste there. Just simply copy it, paste over here. See, now it's pasted successfully. Now it's asking for label. Label is nothing but the name which you is giving for this node. Let me give us slave SLA slave 3. Okay. And here usage, keep it as much as useful. Use this node as much as useful possible. And launch method. Here we are launching via SSH host. Host is nothing but our private IP address. For getting private IP address, you host name hyphen I. Yeah, this is our private IP address. Let me copy this. Simply paste over here. Yeah, we have pasted. Otherwise, if you want to give, if you don't know how to give this command hostname hyphen I, we can simply go into AWS account. Here also you're going to have private IP address. See, 178. If you observe, the both will be same. Now we have to add credentials. Click on Jenkins. Here we're going to use the kind as SSH username with private key. The SSH, yeah, let the ID will be like Jenkins Delivery slave 3. Mm, Let me give the same name over here. ID and description will be same, not an issue. Yeah, now if you come down, it is you asking for username. Username is nothing but what is the user we have created in DevOps slave mission. See, Jenkins slave mission. DevOps g.v.dileep. This is my username. Let me give it here. I already have, that's why I have given. And keep it as treat username as secret. Okay. Now enter directly private key. Click on add. Now how to add here private key. Let me get into this mobile screen. Let me copy this. Yeah, copy, paste over here. Yeah, after that, you no need to give any passphrase. Simply add here, choose Jenkins slave 3. We have given ID, no, it will ask for that. And host key verification strategy, keep it as here 4 options, but keep it as manual trusted key verification strategy. Okay. And require manual verification of initial one. Yes. And simply save it. If you save means come to notes, view, it will be added here. Click on it. This is how we can establish the connection between master and slave machine. This is called node configuration. Now let me get into manage Jenkins. We will see how to add this maven path. Let me get into tools. Yeah. See, you observe here. See, I have already provided. First, we have to give the name maven. Then we have already installed maven in our slave mission. Let me check for maven version. Yeah, it's already installed. See, if you observe here, there is option like maven home. Slash usr slash share slash maven. This is the path. Let's simply copy it. Let me get into Jenkins master and we have to paste it and simply have to save it. Name it, we can give whatever it may be, like maven caps or maven small. It's not an issue. And save it. This is the way how to we can add maven path into our plugins into our Jenkins master. Now let me add this Docker credentials. We'll see how to add this Docker credential. Go to credentials. See, already. See, I have given this Jenkins slave and it is added here also. So I have already given the credential, Docker credential. Let me show you how to add. If you want to add new one, let me show you. See, click on add domain. Let me come back. Credential. Click on add credentials. Here keep it as username and password itself. Now what we're going to do means first we have to log in into Docker Hub. Docker Hub, click on Docker Hub. Yeah, go to profile in Docker Hub. This is my profile Docker Hub. My username is g.v.dileep. Let me give it over there. Username g.v.dileep. Okay, click on secret. Okay, treat the username as secret. Now it's asking for password. Password for generating password, we should not give the Docker Hub password. Let me get into account settings. In account settings, there will be option like security. In security, you have to create new access token. Let me give one name like yeah. Once click on enter here, it will generate one token. Copy over here. It's copied and let me paste here in the password box. Now ID you can give like docker login login ID and ID and description will be same. Copy, paste. If you click on create, it will automatically create it. This is how we can add our Docker credentials into Jenkins master. Okay.